Hello everyone, sorry about the wait. Gonna die on this one I think. But yeah, we'll have a little go. Been busy, as you do. Right, let's have a look. Oh, that smells so. And this is my first ever experience with these type of peppers, or what they are. But you gotta start somewhere, I suppose. Here we go. Now I know this might sound strange, and I am burning, but I think the other one I had was hotter. The barbecue hot. Proper rinsed me mouth. This one's not that bad, look, it's just this one. I might even try another little one. Why not? Here, same. I feel a bit of sweat. That's burning more now. That's hot now. Look, you can see me sweating. Yeah, but that's lovely though. I feel a little bit down the throat, kinda. Like back of the throat burn. Yeah, a bit on the tongue, maybe a little bit. But more back of the throat, and I can feel it going down a bit. Definitely, I know it sounds strange, but the hot was hotter than the extra hot for me. I don't know if they've been mixed up or something, but I opened the barbecue hot and I weren't ready for where it kicked me. It was hot. I like this one. This is nice. It's not as bad as the other one, you know. So maybe you've mixed them up or something, but whew, that other one killed me. We all had to run for a drink. It was heavy. But yeah, Budgies beef jerky, all the way from the other side of the world, Australia. Amazing product, proper amazing. So yeah, I'll give it a little minute longer, see how the burn moves or if it stays, kinda. I've got a bit of a runny nose, like you can see. I've got a little sweat on. But yeah, I preferred that one to the barbecue hot. Because like I say, I think they might have got mixed up because that other one was major. I was on the mic and nearly dropped an F-bomb and just got it off in time. Oh well, yeah, lovely. Next time when we get an order in, I want to order most of them with just your normal flavours, you know, to actually see the difference between them all. But yeah, lovely. Catch you later, guys.